Who's controlling us? No one. Nag-imagine lang kayo may nagkokontrol sa amin pero wala kayong mapatunayan. You know why? Because naiinggit kayo sa amin because we can speak up our minds while you are slaves and prisoners of your golden cage, darling. Yan si Karen,
Yeah,
elitista yan. Every one of them are elitista. Either elitista sila or mga social climber, as simple as that. At ang ugali ng mga elitista at social climber, kailangan gawin nila papangitin yung background ng isang tao in order for them to feel
to
good
look
about
better.
themselves, to
Mm.
look better. They would like to feel good about themselves. No? As simple as
Yeah.
that. No? Alam naman nila, na parang sampalan kami ng CV. I have a higher education than them. I have a better academic background. I have a better training. I have a better international exposure than them, who are actually just
Exactly.
third world rate journalists. Look at ABS-CBN. Ang tagal-tagal na ng ABS-CBN for how many years? But look at them. Do they have international presence? Nothing. Because, ano ba sila? Wala naman kayo. You are just like a mouthpiece of an oligarch. As simple as that, period. You don't have any global relevance, darling.